Okay, so we needed a place to work on the 55 Ford here, so I had this old military supply little pop-up hut here, and this actually had some material on it, and that eventually wore off over the years. So we bought some corrugated sheet metal here. We're actually going to get another row to go down here, so we're going to get a few more to finish this off. And then we put it on the piers to raise it up to give us some height, so this center bar here clears the hood or the roof of the truck. But we rolled it in here and we had just dirt on the bottom, and it was kind of not the best thing to jack the truck up on, and you know, rain comes through and washes it. So we decided to put down some pavers here, and we just finished this up. We got the pavers all down. I'm probably going to continue to go wider on them and further back and just get this all paved eventually, but we have enough room right now where we're going to push the truck on in and get it situated underneath here. And in addition, coming on over here, we have this metal desk which my uncle also had, and we purchased that off him for a whopping $5. I think he wanted to get rid of that pretty bad. But this is a nice solid metal desk, and we also got the vise there, which we're going to bolt on into that desk, and we're going to use this to keep all of our tools and when we're working out here on the truck. So I think we have a pretty good spot to work on it, so we're going to push it on in here, just my son and I, and do the best we can and see how it fits. Let's check it out. Plus we got to yank out that one brick there. Let me see. I'm thinking we want to stop it right about here. Well, that's what I was going to do. There you go. I got another one. I got one here, right here. It should be able to hit that row. All right, so once we get it rolling, we don't want to stop. Let's see, do we have any other spots here? One, two. All right, here we go. 3.